Hey, Chris Ferdinandi here. Today's Vanilla.js quick tip is an excerpt from my course and book on native web components, which you can learn more about over at vanillajsguides.com. All right, let's dig into it. To help make the concepts in this course tangible, we're going to build a really simple web component, greeting message. When we're done, the component will load a button into the UI and display a welcome message when the button is clicked. If a logout attribute is added to the component, the button gets removed from the UI and a goodbye message will be shown instead. We'll also include some custom styling and add some hooks that developers can use to customize it a bit without breaking things. To create a web component, the first thing that we need to do is register it with JavaScript. And to do that, we'll use a JavaScript class to extend the HTML element object. Just like with a traditional constructor pattern, our class name should be in title case. Let's call this one greeting message, and it extends the HTML element class. Inside this class is where we're going to actually create our web component. After we've created the new class, we need to define our custom component using the custom element registry define method. The first argument inside that method is the name of the element. And this is the name of the actual element itself in your HTML file. It has to include at least one dash. Single word web components are not allowed. The second argument is the constructor, the new class that you create for your web component. And in our case, that's greeting message. As a best practice, we should also make sure that custom elements exist as a property of the window object first, just in case we're dealing with old browsers that don't support custom components. So at this point, we have registered a new web component. It doesn't do anything yet, but it exists. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and maybe even share it with someone else who you think might enjoy it. You can also get my daily developer tips newsletter over at gomakethings.com, where every weekday I share a new tip, trick, tool, or Vanilla.js snippet to help you build a simpler and more resilient web. Thanks so much for watching.